Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving straight into a massive shift happening in healthcare right now. It's the ultimate before and after story of modernizing hospital operations. We're talking about moving away from the heavy friction of paper and stepping into the seamless flow of digital progress with a platform called Ektos Health.
So let's just get right into it. I want you to ask yourself a question and be completely honest here. What does your hospital or clinic waiting room look like right now? Seriously, visualize it for a second. Is it a calm, beautifully organized environment, or is it a bit of a chaotic reality? Endless queues, anxious patients constantly checking their watches, and frustrated staff just trying to manage a mountain of clipboards. For a lot of healthcare facilities, unfortunately, it's definitely the latter.
Okay, let's talk about the heavy toll of managing appointments the old-fashioned way. We are talking about major pain points here. You've got long, frustrating queues because slots are mismanaged. You've got manual registrations, which are incredibly time-consuming and dramatically increase the workload on the front desk, causing immediate delays. And then there are the missed or duplicate appointments that cause a direct loss of revenue. Your staff are just overloaded trying to juggle phone calls, walk-ins, and scheduled patients all at the same time. And the worst part? There is absolutely zero real-time visibility into how appointments are actually performing today. It's basically organized chaos, and it ultimately leads to a really poor experience for the patient.
But picture this instead, the total opposite reality. In the before state, you have clipboards being passed around, administration literally buried in manual paperwork, long queues, and totally stressed out staff. But the after state? It's patients simply scanning a QR code, intuitive app-based workflows, real-time dashboards for the management team, and a truly seamless patient journey. This is the exact transformation from manual chaos to a smart digital ecosystem. Hearing that contrast really triggers a deep desire for some operational relief, doesn't it? It's the shift from just reacting to crises all day to proactively managing patient care. And bridging that massive gap, well, that is exactly where Ektos Health comes in. Ektos Health is a smart digital platform designed specifically to simplify appointment management and provide that much-needed relief for healthcare staff. Their whole mission is about empowering care with innovation. They aren't just digitizing a broken process. They're completely replacing those outdated, paper-based workflows with a system built for modern hospitals that actually put the patient first. All right, let's get into the digital patient journey. You really have to see how frictionless this flow is. Step 1, the patient walks through the doors and simply scans a QR code. Step 2, they register directly right there on their own mobile phone. Step 3, they sign their consent digitally on their device. And Step 4, their token instantly pops up on the lobby screen. Boom! That's it. Think about the impact of an app-based workflow like this. Patients get dramatically faster onboarding. It completely eliminates those awful front desk bottlenecks, minimizes manual paperwork, and creates this smooth, highly organized journey where the patient actually feels informed and in control. Moving right along to real-time hospital operations. Now, check out this stat from the International Journal for Multidisciplinary Research because it is a real game changer. Academic analysis shows that healthcare organizations implementing mature business intelligence, or BI, solutions report an average cost reduction of 23.6% in administrative operations. I mean, almost a quarter of administrative costs just saved. This logically proves why adopting real-time data analytics isn't just a nice-to-have convenience for your staff. It is an absolute financial imperative for any modern hospital. So how does Ektos deliver that kind of crucial business intelligence? It's all centralized in their dashboard. You get complete, real-time visibility. You can instantly see time and efficiency metrics, like, say, an average patient waiting time of 23 minutes and an average consultation time of 18 minutes. For a chief operating officer or hospital administrator, having these critical KPIs right at your fingertips means you can finally stop reacting to patient complaints and start proactively managing your patient flow. And these insights scale across your entire operation. By utilizing smart filters, filtering by department, by doctor, or by date ranges, administrators can instantly pinpoint exactly which departments are overloaded or seeing delays. You're tracking these efficiency metrics right alongside your core appointment statuses. It allows leadership to step in immediately, maybe allocate a few extra staff members to a struggling department, and course correct before the patient experience goes downhill.
Let's talk about those core appointment metrics for a second. Say you're tracking your data and you see over 2,100 scheduled appointments and over 3,800 completed, but you also see 439 canceled appointments. Ektos tracks these cancellation and no-show trends automatically. And why is that absolutely crucial? Because every single no-show is a direct loss of revenue and a totally wasted time slot. But by turning that raw data into an actionable strategy, like tweaking your automated SMS reminders right from the Ektos settings, hospitals can actively work to close those gaps and stop that revenue leakage. Next up, built for healthcare standards.
Of course, you can't talk healthcare tech without talking compliance, right? Ektos takes this head on. They help hospitals and clinics become ABDM compliant and NABH Digital Ready. Being ABDM compliant ensures you are seamlessly part of a secure digital health ecosystem, while NABH compliance aligns your processes for standardized, high-quality care. Ektos is built from the ground up to support these specific workflows, keeping your facilities secure, future-ready, and fully compliant. It really just takes all the anxiety out of the modernization process.
But we don't just have to take this software's word for it. The real-world impact is what matters. Listen to this powerful quote from Dr. Anil Chaudhary at Lal Kodi Hospital. He says, Ektos Health has transformed how we manage patient records and hospital operations, enabling us to deliver better patient care. I mean, that's the ultimate goal, isn't it? This is exactly the kind of social proof that shows replacing administrative chaos with an organized digital ecosystem truly empowers real doctors to focus on real patients instead of just endlessly shuffling paper. So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with one final provocative question. Are you ready to move from paper to progress? When you factor in that potential 23.6% cost reduction in admin, the instantly shortened wait times, and just the massive relief for your frontline staff, you have to realize something. The true cost isn't in adopting new technology. No, the true cost is staying stuck in the past while healthcare evolves all around you. Thank you so much for joining me for this breakdown, and I really hope it sparks some great ideas for the future of your own healthcare operations.